To change privacy password on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how we can do this. First of all, you will have to go into the settings. From here, move yourself into the special features, and as you are here, go for the app lock. In case if you are actually using app lock, you'll have to go for app lock, or if you're not using it, but you're using the private save or the hide apps feature, you'll have to go into any of these, and from here press enter your privacy password, your current privacy password, and from here you'll have to go into the three dots on the top right corner and go for set now. And right here is the privacy password, and you can go in there, have to enter your current privacy password, and now you can turn off your privacy password, change the question, or change the password, which is our thing right here. We want to do this, so we have to enter the current privacy password, I believe, and now we can set up the new privacy password. We can change the type of this privacy password right here, so let's set it up to 4 digits, and let's insert our new privacy password, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can change your privacy password on the Realme C71.